Rivers crisis. Nigeria Judicial Council shouldn't assign political cases to judges favored by Wike, says Transparency Initiative. And now to the news in full. The Initiative for Transparent Strategy and Good Leadership has called on the National Judicial Council (NJC) to take concrete action on judges being assigned to the Rivers State cases. Yes, they should really take concrete action on them, because most of them are working for him and they are going to rule in his favor, whether we like it or not. So they should really take concrete actions and put judges that are good, that have good conscience, that are not being swayed by money or by greediness. Specifically, the initiative asks the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court to stop assigning political matters from Rivers State to judges who have received favors from Minister of Federal Capital Territory. True. And former State Governor Wike. Very true and very needed, because if not, the Transparency Group is concerned about judges accepting gifts and favor which go against their professional conduct rules. Yes, you're a judge. Why are you collecting gifts from people? Why? Because you know that if that person has an issue, you definitely tend to bend to their favor. You rule in their favor because they've given you something, even though they are wrong, even though they've done something wrong. You try to manipulate. If you were neutral, if you are not collected anything from them, you'll be able to judge with good conscience and not say, and this person has helped me before, and so I think I should help him too. No. If you have collected gifts from somebody, you should not be judging in their matter at all. They cited the case of Justice James K. Omotosho, who received a property allocation from Wike in 2019. Imagine, Wike gave you house and you will not rule in his favor. Of course you will rule in his favor now. Of course you will do everything to make sure that he wins a case, even though he's not supposed to win it. This, it argues, creates suspicion and undermines the integrity of the judiciary. According to the Rule of Professional Conduct for Judicial Officers, Section 10, Subsection 1I, prohibits judges from accepting gifts, bequests, loans, or favors related to their judicial duties. Exactly. You are not supposed to collect it at all, because it is seen as a bribe. No matter how you try to paint it, I'm not trying to bribe you, I'm not trying to do anything, it is a bribe, whether you like it or not. So it is better you do not accept it for your own sanity, so that you'll be able to judge free and fair. The NJC, established by the 1999 Constitution, is responsible for promoting legal professionalism and protecting the judiciary's independence. The President General of the group, Chizi Enyi Esquire, while briefing journalists on Thursday, explained that acceptance of such gifts and other favor were the reason why people are suspicious and read meaning into any matter connecting with the person who gave the gift, favor, and advantage to the judicial officer. Exactly, yes. I will not know that you have given somebody a gift now, that somebody has given you a gift as a judge, and I expect you to rule in my favor when that person has given you a house, a whole house. Me sef, I know say I don't lose the case, because why would you collect gifts from somebody? It doesn't make any sense. As a judge, you are supposed to be neutral, whether you like it or not. In total disobedience, the group said that Justice Omotosho in August 2019 and two others received allocation of properties at GRF Estate, Eliozu, Port Harcourt, by the then Governor of Rivers State, Wike, as a gift, bribe. They'll say it's a gift, but it's a bribe. It is a bribe, so that when he calls you and say, so person, he has a case with you in court, and blah blah blah, help me rule in his favor, or help me even talk to your friends, even though it's not that judge that is in charge of the case. You say, help me talk to so person to make sure that they release him. And like that, corruption keeps spreading in the country. Between October and November 2018, the same Justice Omotosho gave judgment against APC in Rivers State, which led to APC not fielding candidates in all the elections, including governorship in Rivers State, and by August 2019, it was allocated a property at GRF Estate. Is this compensation or what? Before, what do you think? The said plus 104 allocated to Justice Omotosho was originally owned by Honorable Odin Ajumodobia San and was revoked by Wike without notice to the learned San. That is because probably that one did not do his bidding. And that is exactly going to be the case of anybody that collects gifts from Wike and does not do what he wants. He's going to revoke everything that he gave to you. He gave you a house and I'll tell you, oh yeah, rule in my favor. You now say no. He's going to take the house now. And that was what he did to Ode and Ajimobi. So it is better you don't even collect anything from you to retain your integrity. It is better you refute anything that comes from anybody for that matter. Assuming but not considering that Justice Omotosho bought that land, would a search report not show him that the land belonged to Ode and Ajimobi's son but was revoked? As a judge, doesn't he know the general principles of revocation, that it is always for public use, and why didn't he reject the allocation of land, Abi? That is supposed to be for public use. Too bad. NE explained that in their opinion, the matter of the appropriation law budget of Rivers State between the Rivers State House of Assembly and AN of V Rivers State Government and ORS may have also been affected because of the relationship that has been established between Wike and Justice Omotosho. He said, before Lukman Fagbemi filed a motive withdrawing his counter affidavit, he had already filed a motion on notice challenging the jurisdiction of the Federal High Court to hear matters between the Rivers State Government and an agency of the state, like the Rivers State House of Assembly. He also filed additional disposition challenging the jurisdiction of the court on the ground that since the subject matter is an appropriation law, the Federal High Court does not have jurisdiction to entertain the matter. It is part of the practice that to do substantial justice, the court will also consider two things vis-a-vis. The court can so much raise issue of jurisdiction, tell the lawyers before him to address him on jurisdiction, and the court can also rely on documents in the court's file. Withdrawing the counter affidavit by Lukman Fagbemi did not remove the document from the court files, and if not for the relationship, Honorable Justice Omotosho would not have arrived at his conclusion. Yes, even if it is not because of the relationship, anything that you do, we will always say that you are ruling in his favor because he has given you something, because he has bribed you with something. So you cannot be taking it as a lawyer, as a judge. As a non-governmental organization, we are not comfortable with the way the public sees some of the judgments from the judges. The judiciary, which is supposed to be the last hope of the common man, is now presumed to be the hope of the man who knows and has access to the judges. Yes, and it's too bad. There will be a case in court. I'm not guilty, but because this person is your friend, because this person has given you gifts, you now rule in his favor, and then send me to jail for what I did not do. Because you have collected a house, then you lost your conscience and just rule anything. It's not right. It's not right at all. My listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.